You guys guess what it is? Hang on. So, take the potato, put it in there, then we pull the trigger there, and I gotta do this with one hand. And we have fries. Yay! Check it out, check it out, check it out. See? Perfectly cut French fries. Homemade fries. Yeah, we don't like takeout. We never do. We used to like takeout when takeout was good, but now it's not the same takeout. So we've got this antique potato chopper instant fry maker. Saves a lot of time. See? Sweet as that for an oldie, huh? Alright, back in a bit.